This is a historic trip. We'll tell you on the way about the importance of this trip, but first have a look at this church. This is where the Synod of Diamper was held in 1599 AD. All the history coming up on the way. Stay tuned. So we are taking a trip from this Synodal Church to Bent Cross Church in Mattancheri, where another historical event took place, which was the turning point for Christianity in Kerala. We have around 30 minutes to discuss this, and as we go along the way, we'll explain it in detail. First of all, you should know Christianity existed in Kerala at the same time it existed in the West, because both the places had Christ's direct disciples. St. Peter in Rome and St. Thomas here. That is why Christians here are known as St. Thomas Christians. Now let's start with the Synod of Diamper held here at Udayamperur on 20th to 27th June 1599. Thomas coming to India have enough of archaeological references than documentary evidence. He came in search of Jews in Malabar coast and then to Afghanistan from the Indo-Parthian kingdom founded by Gondophares and spread across Arachosia, Kabul and Gandhara, which is the current Afghanistan and Pakistan regions. Thomas propagated Christianity to the Jews on the Malabar coast, and for hundreds of years they were all known as Nazranis or Malankara Christians and continued to remain so for almost 1500 years with ecclesiastical assistance from the nearest area in the east, which now Syria. Why Syria? And why not Rome, where the Pope lives today and presides over millions of Christians? journey continues. Click on the next video to continue viewing this trip and listening to history.